Welcome to the third episode of Castle Season. Today we will bring you in Bavaria, Germany to see Neuschwanstein and Hohenschwangau castles. Neuschwanstein Castle inspired the Sleeping Beauty Castle in Disneyland. King Ludwig II envisioned the castle as a homage to Richard Wagner, his favorite composer. The castle's architecture blends Romanesque and Gothic styles, with modern amenities like running water and central heating, rare for its time. Known as the fairy tale king, Ludwig II was an eccentric monarch with a deep love for the arts and culture. His mysterious death and the circumstances surrounding it have inspired numerous theories and legends. Ludwig II's patronage of Richard Wagner and his extravagant castle projects contributed to his enduring legacy. Hohenschwangau was King Ludwig II's childhood home, where he spent much of his youth. The castle overlooks the Alpsee Lake and offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains. It served as a summer and hunting retreat for the royal family of Bavaria. Stay tuned for more incredible destinations from above.